Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander viewers are advised that the following program contains images and voices of people who've died.
Hey Nathan.
Hey Ruby, how's it going?
Good, I've got a great idea. So, you know how I'm doing the story about the High Court this week?
Yeah.
Well, I want to make it space themed. So basically I get some kids to be aliens and I am like this astronaut, intergalactic crime fighter, and someone on another planet has committed like a terrible crime.
Look, it sounds creative, but it sounds a bit ridiculous too.
Come on, be like, pew, pew, hands off you radioactive slime balls, you're under arrest. It'll be awesome.
Maybe give it another shot?
All right.
Good luck.
Okay, so our justice system might not have much to do with outer space, but it does have everything to do with the law. Courts decide if people are guilty of breaking a law and decide their punishment. They sort out legal disputes between people or companies and decide how the law should be interpreted. But sometimes a court can make a decision that people aren't happy with. If that happens, they have the right to an appeal. This can eventually mean approaching a higher level court and asking them to review the case in the hopes of a different outcome. Much like me. Hey Ben.
Hey Ruby.
So I've got this great idea for a story. Nathan said no, but I really think you should hear it.
Okay, go on then.
Okay, so basically I play an intergalactic astronaut crime fighter who saves the galaxy by battling some radioactive slime balls, and I basically take them out with my laser and go, hands up you radioactive slime balls, you're under arrest! And at the end, the whole galaxy's saved. That's the end. What do you think?
Yeah, no, it's probably not. Sorry, it's a terrible idea. Sorry.
If you've exhausted all your options in the lower courts, be it the local, district, supreme, federal or family court, there's one right on top that can trump all of the others. The big boss of the court system. Hi, I'd like to speak to the boss of the ABC, please. Oh, hi Michelle, it's Ruby. Listen, I've just got this idea for a story that I wanted to run by you. Basically, It's the High Court. It's located in our capital, Canberra, and it's the most powerful court in the country. It has the final say on everything. The High Court handles cases in a couple of different ways. It can hear appeals from lower courts, or it can hear new cases about big issues, often to do with interpreting the rules in Australia's oldest rulebook, the Constitution. The High Court's made up of 7 people, 1 Chief Justice and 6 Justices. The current Chief Justice is Susan Kiefel. She's the first woman to ever hold the position. These 7 are going to be pretty busy over the next few months, dealing with some cases you may have heard about recently. Like whether some politicians who found out they're actually dual citizens should be booted from Parliament, and whether the postal survey on same-sex marriage should be allowed to go ahead. But big cases like that are all in a day's work for the High Court. In the past, it's handed down decisions on recognising native title for Aboriginal people and ruled on where the government can process refugees. Once decisions are made here, that's it. Crime-fighting intergalactic And that's pretty much it for me too. You really don't like it? All right. See ya. Well, how am I meant to tell my High Court story now?